Oh, hello guys. Melon here today, and we're going to explore together. Let's walk. It might be a long time. No, it's not, Melon. What do I see? It seems smelly. I think I'm about to throw up. Just kidding. I'm not going to throw up or anyways. It's so smelly. I think we're on the acid waterfall. Am I going to drop off? Whoa! What did I just? Wow! Huh? Wait, how did I do that? Magical Zofi Stan. What? Wait. I remember you three. Yup, it's us. And we're superheroes to help you. Nah, I'm okay. I think we're about to fall down. Ah! Save them and subscribe. This is my old channel, but it has been deleted. There's so many shut-ups. And yeah, I guess that's fair. I want my channel back. Save them. Whoa! That was cool. Thanks for saving us, Melon. Yeah, thanks for saving us. Oh yeah, Zofi's right. Yeah. Oh, you're welcome, you three. Well, before at least, I came in acid. What? How? Because, yeah, I live in acid because, yeah, I don't live in acid before, so I live in acid. It feels nice. It's sour, and I taste it. Yuck! Yeah, yuck. Oops. My bad, that's a joke. Stop joking us. That's right. Stop joking us around. So, we're still your friend. Oh yeah. 'Cause me and Acid are green. Watch this. Whoa, how did you do that? 'Cause I can see through you. Can I touch the acid? No, you get dead. You're gonna recover. No. Let's go. No. We'll revive. Okay. And, so